Hi! In the next couple of lessons, we're going to talk about question formation. Let's start with yes or no questions. You can answer this type of question with a simple yes or no. To form a yes-no question, begin with a helping verb such as do, be, have, or can. Then add the subject, main verb, and rest of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. Does Michael speak Chinese? Did Sarah arrive on time? Have you seen my keys? Can Jane play the guitar? Let's practice the pronunciation of these questions. The helping verbs are not stressed. Listen to this sentence. Does Michael speak Chinese? Notice how the helping verb is pronounced very quickly together with the subject. Now you try it. Does Michael? Does Michael speak Chinese? Listen to this question. Does Sarah arrive on time? We often don't pronounce the final D sound in did. It blends together with the subject Sarah. Try it. Does Sarah arrive on time? Try this one. Have you seen my keys? Notice how the words have and you blend together. Let's try a couple more. Can Jane play the guitar? Is he here? Be careful with the main verbs in questions. If a question begins with a form of do, the main verb is in base form. Do not add an S or ed ending. The same is true with verbs like can. The main verb is always in base form with no S or ed ending. Look at the examples. Does Michael speak Chinese? Not. Does Sarah arrive on time? Not. Can Jane play the piano? Not. If the question begins with have, has, or had, the main verb is in the past participle form. Look at this example. Have you seen my keys? Not. Or. Was this lesson helpful? I hope so. See you next time.